Young, can she just, like, punch me?
Girlie thought I fold up like a book, but I'm a Kindle. Haha. How come all this conversation? Me. How come all your ladies, they want me. 1 to the 3, 3, 7. I'm a lead. Bouncing both ways back to the bed. That's greed.
Alright, what is up, Mansion? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm here to react to CLC. Sorry, I had a moment. Like, my girl, CLC, they come back with Helicopter. If you don't know how much love I have for CLC, they're one of the groups that, like, I just wish they get more recognition. I had a moment, sorry, but we're gonna get into this, okay? Helicopter, I've seen the teasers for this, and I normally don't watch teasers that much, or that often, but I had to watch it for my girls, and so far, I'm getting, like, maybe, like, black dress and me vibes from it, so I'm excited. We're gonna go into it, because I have nothing else to say. I'm just ready for this. Also, I'm not mentally ready, but let's do this. 3, 2, 1. We won't be lonely at the top. Oh my god, they look so good. Oh my god. My girl Yoon. Helicopter. Oh? Oh? No, we're starting over Yoon! Elkie? Oh my god, they look so good already. I love the lights. Oh my god, Unbin. My heart just stopped. Oh my god. Oh my god, Eugene. My girl. Hold on. Oh! I love when she does that. She always does that. Oh, look at Soren. She's so cute. Oh my god. Look at the budget in this. Young, can she just, like, punch me? Like, Are we gonna get dance break? Can we get dance break? Yeah, I love this girl so much. Someone, you better get your center. Impose like nothing happened. Oh, the journey never ends. Alright, you already know the drill. I'm gonna watch that one more time, but from very first impression, very first reaction, wow. Wow. Like, I had a certain image of what the song was gonna be like in my head, but I felt like it really did extend more into that. Like, it was just like, extend beyond that. Everything I thought about, it happened, but it happened even at a greater level. You know what I mean? I find it so disrespectful that Cube Entertainment, their company, waited a year, almost over a year, to give CLC a comeback. I will literally fight you. We deserve this. We could deserve it even earlier, okay? We deserve this earlier than now. But the fact that they came back with this after a year, after waiting for so long for them, because their last song was what? Devil? I think the last song was Devil, and that was like last summer. It's already September. I feel like it's the expectation. If you're gone for a year, you have to come back with a banger. You have to come back with like, we're still here. You still remember us. Like, boom, that kind of comeback. And this is what they gave us. This is what we got, and this is what we love. This is what we needed. This is what we deserved, okay? That's another story, and that's another different topic. But we're gonna start this over. We're gonna watch this again because I need to watch it again. 3, 2, 1. We won't be lonely at the top. Oh my god. Oh my, first of all, their outfits. Those angel wings. Helicopter. Like, this is a year later. Like, this is 2020. And I'm getting in CLC like this. Like, this is like... This is like a grown-up of... Hold on, I can't even talk. This is a grown-up of No and me, and a little bit of black dress. Like, this is the oldest sister here. So young, there's... Punch me. Eugene is so cute. I love her so much. And Dean, and Sonia, oh my god. I wish that this song showed more her vocals because she could do so much better. She always does that. Okay, oh! Yeon, you better get your rap. She's so beautiful. I can't tell if her hair is long or short. Helicopter. Oh my god, this. See, this is the vocals I want from Sunhee. Oh my god, look at. Did you hear her? Did you hear her? Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Like, I felt like this song was really worked on for a long time. Like, it was like they made the song and then they stopped for a while and then they went back to the song and be like, okay, which part can we switch again? We gotta listen to it and then switch this part, do this, do that. This part doesn't sound as good anymore, so we're gonna switch that out. This one, I feel like it was worked on really hard. Like, this song, it sounds like a full song. It sounds like a full, good song. And that's what I'm like really excited about this, because this is what CLC deserves. But yeah, and I am totally in love with this. They all look really good. I don't know how, like, I'm feeling something about this song that I didn't feel as much for like No or Me or Devil. It's just, this song brings me to another dimension. And I want to stay in that dimension. Yeah, this has my reaction to Helicopter. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.